So my question is maybe for Rajat. Do you see that there is a strong future of dynamic induction charging in India? Because a lot of concern is coming that vehicle has to be halted for 2 hours, 3 hours, which is a pain for a B2B player or maybe self vehicle. So do you think that dynamic induction charging while the go is a future somewhere?
About fast charging?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean,
Yeah,
charging
sorry.
while the go. I mean, I'll
Yeah.
say that, in
So
this way.
fast charging,
He's saying charging on the go, dynamic.
Dynamic induction charging.
very good point, right? So the three types of charging that currently happen, maybe more in the future, but currently you have fast charging, you have slow charging, and you have battery swapping. And then regeneration charging is something which is going to come up. It's already there in European countries where most of the cabs, etc., are running on regen charging.
Just to add to your point, Rajat, actually there's another type of electric mobility that is called supercapacitor buses. I think that is what you're talking about. They run on basically pantograph charging. Okay, I mean from one stop to another stop, capacitors can hold the charge for limited amount of time. Okay, but they produce the same voltage and same kilowatt what is required to drive a buses. This is also a technology which is currently working in Europe and some places in China. Okay.